Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In this video, you will hear Spice talk about RT Boss and the little 15-year-old Wayne Grape. Blinga and Spice go at it. RT and Spice go at it. Be a baga. Stay tuned.
Whether them want to be gay or not, the little boy was molested. So because he was molested by a man and through him a gay, we don't look at it the same. Graping is wrong. Man or woman. You know what day I'm on the internet and I talk about say me change my story with Danger, because when it did happen to Danger, she me did take side with. As a woman, me never take side with the man. And me tell her, say, come report it. Same thing when me I tell that person, yeah, it needs to be reported. Me tell her to report it and she never report it. She never report it. Me take my mouth all publicly dep on internet when me tell her, say, you need to go report it. And if him rape you, me say, if my baby father rape you, him to go to prison. That me tell her, and she never report it. There's no way evidence, nothing she know. She left it, she never report it. And when the story come out, she turn around upon me like me rape her, like I me do something to her. So me now pick and choose no side. Me attack it as it is. Truth is truth. Somebody say we know why she don't want to report it. The truth is the truth. So that's why when she switch her story, me switch my story to come here and say, but the man grape and you don't have a problem. You notice what the man do? That the guy will just come out. Him attack him accuser. Oh, the man grape you and yeah attack me. Leigh Forbes is a hero. Leigh Forbes, him is a hero and him should be addressed as such. We're not supposed to see Leigh Forbes in the street and make him a walk with him head down. We're not to be proud of that man. You know how much it take out of him to come talk a while ago in public space? Do you know how much it take out of Leigh Forbes a while ago to come out and speak with him face and him image? Wanna go plaster all over social media? Make sure when you put this up and put up the boy where I talk. When you talk to Leigh Forbes, he is a hero. The boy come out and defend so much of our boys that's being molested. And it happen within the home and somehow you don't want to talk about it. It happen in the home and you don't want to talk about it because you living at this shame. For people, anybody will come from LGBTQ, you put the shame upon them. Like God gonna phone a life to live and God give them for them life to live. When God come, God now ask you about your brother, your this or your that. God ask you about you so you can't live your life for other people. So if a man take up his own life and choose to be from the LGBT community, that's a theme problem. That is not your problem. I saw no turn down for me when me I go perform for my fans them. And I come ask, me if I go perform a certain place. Like God I go ask me about them or no. But let everybody have them own life to live. So nobody come see the boy and talk about say, him fear walk and well. No, that is of the man. It happened to him when he is a boy and now he is a man. And he do manly things. You know how much you take out of him? You know how embarrassing it probably is? You know how him probably come off of this and they want to cry right now? Someone said if he even continue to live as gay, it's because he was. It's not right, it's wrong. And all of the people them who are supporting him supposed to be ashamed of themselves. Somebody said the man is brave in these, he's traumatized, it's traumatizing. Yo, me say when the little boy tell me this morning, me I tell him me in a pain, me in a tears. Yes, he is brave, of course he's brave. Me tell him say RT, but me explain something to him because so I say I was there when I'm ignorant on the level whatever things me never remember for time. Me say RT, go around and meet these people. Then he manipulate you and tell you all kind of evil things. Because All of a sudden, everybody always at Obia, you know, when it comes down to him. Everybody always at Obia, everybody always at the something. But when him realize say him cannot manipulate you, him go up against you. When RT realize him can't use you and him can't manipulate you, him go have a problem with you. And the only thing him decide to do is to tear you down when him cannot control you. Just like when him come around me and when him see say, me the too smart for him. And him couldn't manipulate me and him couldn't control me no further. Him come out, come make up all sort of lie and evil. But guess what? Uno did believe him. Me now go continue come and talk about you because you love the limelight, whether good or bad. But me have my platform and me go use it for God. And God me go use it for you. Did want me to use it for you. You come tell me, say me if you come out, come tell people, say you're a spiritual advisor. Me, Gracie, we love God so. Me sorry, me couldn't go up against God for you. And when you come up against me, God said to be silent. You see, when he come out at the time, when that little boy there did afraid, he wouldn't talk at the time, you know. Because when if me come out in a 2020, come talk, you know that say a lie me I tell because you never see it for yourself. But it come back full circle now today when the little boy when he did afraid, brave up now, and he's a man and ready for talk. I only know want to talk about God. And he come tell you, say, me have to go down and me have to mash up and me have to this and we don't see, we do not I say this man is a scammer. Me telling you, say, me meet this man as a pastor. And he come and get licky off of me things them when me see. And he want me things them. And he feel like say, true, me an artist, me have the things them when me have and the things them when me achieve. So him start say, my artist to him want sing. And me take up myself like an idiot and carry me in a studio. I teach him how to sing, him no can't sing one phrase. But at that happen to me too enough. Me love sorry for people. Me love help them. Me see my put out a something I come talk about. Oh, you go a quote. I want if you remember say me I go under oath, so me have to go tell the people them the truth of how him really come to America. Wonder if him did know that when me put and swear say I promise to tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. I will have to be fucking honest of how him come here. Wonder if him did know that part there. Don't love to pick for me and then turn on and say Spice always in a bagga. What am my story? This is my story. This is what happened to me. No care what I do and how to bring me down. Which artist from Jamaica wanna see so much hate train come up on where them try to bring them down? Answer the question. We have a trivial answer. Because when I say all the while me use my complexion and say me I chew me black. So tell me who in the business where them farm up and plot up against and click up. Because when I see them a click up now, you know. People are come out from all walks of life them never say nothing about. Them love to say me bagga. You know see them a create no bagga for no other artists. For them to come out, come defend themselves. Spice. Thank God for them couldn't buy out Pretty Dan and tell her say turn against the black one, yeah. But you don't see Pretty Dan attack and defend me. You don't swear say it's me. The woman does naturally have a natural love and respect for a black woman where a fucking struggle to make it. I don't swear say a me. You never expect say the black one did ever reach so far. Where the big face one name where the white man where did they with the white man? And now tell you where the white man do or the white man breed and left you. Where your name? What's she name? You in a studio where the song, all of a sudden you want an artist. So it does a show no everybody will crawl from underneath the rock. All the 8 train now that can rap. There's a 8 train that is out for me because them cannot believe that Spice reached so far. Them cannot believe that Spice is so consistent. Them can't believe that Spice still in the business today. The one where them think never that go with the black one. Right in them backyard become that's the problem.
Yes, Spice, you know, stay with a blood clot. Take off the wig and beat me. Take off the wig and beat me.
Yes, and that me want she do me sling. Take off the wig and beat you.
Me. Remember say you do body, you know. Remember say you do your body. And we see how you did favor floor clot and you still a blood clot, floor clot. Bitch, you not reach nowhere yet, you know. You not reach nowhere yet. Remember say you do body, you know. Before you do body, you did favor floor clot. And if you ask me, you get a little highlights, me I'm gonna say no. But you can't stop with me, Spice, no dear, none at all. Cause Spice, we see you and we see how you did look like garbage and rubbish. Nasty woman. Suck pussy woman, leave me the fuck alone. Tell the people them say a pussy you love nyam. And you now get my pussy for nyam. You now get this your pussy up in him. You go come have attitude with blood clot me because me say me stand with RT. And that me say I now move, I now go, I now gonna away. And me say one blood clot RT coming up business where you RT want have. RT have a mouth can defend for him blood clot self. So when you ever come talk about big rusty broad back, my back supposed to blood clot broad. Why you not talk about your ill-shaped blood clot stuffed chicken look alike blood clot name pussy? Oh, Shelly and Coroner $500,000 self. Why you not talk about that? And that you fi talk about. Talk about how your blood clot mama suffer. Talk about that. Talk about the married man where you take down a blood clot Atlanta. That you forgot talk about and leave me a blood clot alone. Allow me alone, lady. You go like you're blood clot somebody. You go like you're somebody. That's why the girl them left from round. You know, the girl them left from round and as them left from round and them thing got through the roof. Sky high through the blood clot roof. Your crosses, you're all down. Spice, you're all blood clot down. Which blood clot boy can there with me and fuck and suck every blood clot body around me? Oh, can do that. You not walk with nothing. Nothing you not walk with. Nothing you not walk with underneath you. You're done. You're rev out. Go suck your mother, Spice. Suck out your mother. Suck your big pussy mother. See it there? See it there? Me make you relevant again. See relevancy there? Take it. Take it. Me and one blood clot girl where you can't buy out. You're crazy. You can't buy me out. You want beard. You need to scour. You're rusty. You're rusty. You don't happy with your blood clot self. Take off a bumbo clot wig. I make we have a showdown. Take off the wig and come talk to me. And you can't do that. Move your dibby walk and fuck and suck blood clot and go. You go like you're somebody. You go like you're somebody. You're not nobody. And it's only a matter of time for the people them say that. Bitch, sit here. You get it. Me make your back relevant. Hope you can keep up. Listen to me. Me done talk. And me done so me I say. Name fuck. Girl will walk and suck everybody pussy can chat to blood clot me. You think of Erica Mendes this? You think of Carly blood clot red this? You think of Maca Diamond this? Go suck your mother. And anyone of your blood clot pitbull them will come for me. Tell them to come straight in person. Come in and look. Me now warp on internet with no blood clot girl. But I will answer you. I will answer blood clot you. Yeah, cause them not relevant, you know, cause I pay them get. So them have to sit down and them have to listen to you. You just hurt because me, you can't buy out. You can't buy me out. You can't buy me out. You're low no blood clot. You're low. Carry the DNA, go give the people them where wait pan it. Come adjust the $7 million where them accuse you of scamming. Address Shelly and Coran 500,000 where she say you scammer. Address them there. Them there where you need to come add blood clot dress. Cause you come out here, start problem and cry victim. That's you. That a bit. Let me take up fear a little bit. She's supposed to hate her baby father because her baby father fuck every girl around her and suck them pussy, she say. She said. She said. So how she gonna love her baby father when the baby father fuck all of the girl them around her? You know, sister, the boy never rate her. The boy never rate her. Which blood clot man can they around me and I fuck off all of my dancer them and I suck them pussy? You crazy? Go suck your mother. If you don't want to follow, come off from my life. What the fuck you over your side? Don't torment no blood clot. Spice your rusty no bumbo clot. Spice the way you look, you must think. The way
Spice
you
face coming like acid, backside.
Stage, you know, Spice. And when your pussy drop out on stage, that was one of the ugliest blood clot sights we have ever seen. Lady, remember your crutches fell out of your clothes on stage? Eh? And that was one of the ugliest sights we ever blood clot see. Pussy no fear hang down so. No young people pussy fear hang down so. You're crazy. Go take care of your mother, Spice, and go help your sister get with the money to get her papers. Go help your sister with the $10,000 she asked you for from God was a child to get her papers, sort out her papers. Go help your mother, Spice. Go help her.
I start the TikTok.
Brother, my Spice, come suck me. Big pussy Spice, come suck me. Baby germs that kill you. Give back the blood clot. Britney to the right, daddy. You monkey looking blood clot. You upper come tap, but you want bring down me nasty blood clot. Spice, go poison yourself. You dirty in a blood clot. You ashy. You ashy. You not have no credible file. You want. Tell the people I'm about you with the goat. Tell the people I'm about here with the cow. Tell the people I'm how you name the foal. Tell that if you come answer to Jamaica, you have walk and make up a peer people for come say me a batty man. When you no come answer to the goat and answer to the cow, I'll know you not answer. Spice suck your mother. You can't win me in no war. Because I come with receipt and paper. Big pussy girl, I'll know you can't answer. Everything them big pussy girl you talk about, allegation. So if it was allegation, should I find man for come chat bombo? What go suck no mama?
Have to cost to promote our music.
Blood clot, before you come and tell me thanks. Move your blood clot.
And the pan TikTok shall come take over.
Change your side 3 years ago. Now you come out.
Let me get one thing. Jigo, texting Jigo, George Lecky, where at the hotel. George Lecky, uno go over Bombo Clark, go type in Sting 2020, Sting whatever with Maca Diamond. And George Lecky, we're right at Ugly Park Road. Jigo, yes, let me tell you something now. Jigo, let me go, let me come my dog, I make nice, I don't want the dog here, you know? Spice fuck Lal and Jigo at the same time and I me did I invigilate it, no. Spice not have no style for class bling because from me a par with bling, me never ever tell another man say, me know. From me a par with bling, bling never have another man for me have to talk up good something, no. But she a fuck Lal and a fuck Jigo at the same time. Jen that dirty bitch can class bling. Talk now. She go say, bling a broad back when me have to invigilate her whole. When she a fuck 2 man, and me a fear watching another man, go and go type in over Sting people. When she a Macadam when she do the interview with the coolie girl, you go see me and Lal, then you go see one black man with him big nose, named Jigo. Yes, that is the man where she did a fuck while she a fuck Lal. So if Lal fuck Danger no nothing no, Lal find out say she a fuck Jigo. So Lal go fuck Danger and that a mother. That's how the story go.
Listen to me, Spice. And listen good. Listen blood clot good. Go address the areas where you have for your daughter and come off from a blood clot. You better leave.
The father might pick me and him Batman data where every Jamaica attack. The whole of them know about it. And I mean say so. It's in the media. Suck your mother.
Right there, so. Go address the blood clot lunch bill. Go address the lunch bill where you're having a areas and the bursars officer Jamaica for your blood clot daughter. Go suck your mother, Spice. You know, buddy?
Go pay the school fee. What I'm bling. Let me go to the next one. Big pussy girl go pay the school fee where you owe. And I tell them say to blood clot in September. Girl, you still have an outstanding school fee in Jamaica.
But you have an outstanding lunch bill out there too. Feel like a girl, we walk and change in a bathroom. Big pussy suck hole,
my daughter walk and take man and a suck good.
Go suck your mother. Remember, see a bathroom, you're picking a change in every blood clot there. Suck good. You can't come for me. Don't come for blood clot me. Niam fuck.
Remember, your daughter fuck is here, man. Spice, remember, your daughter fuck is here, man. You're not in a class. You're whore. You can't come for me. Dog shit.
Not even
you can go tell all lie you want tell. You're not in a class for come for nobody over here. So me have your pussy file. Suck with blood clot. You come go like you're smart. You come for me. You go like you're good.
Go address the blood clot areas. And you pick the lunch bill where you have at school. Dog shit. You're nobody. Big pussy girl. You're nobody.
I just mama want a bed in a Jamaica. Tell her if you go live and go in her mama house. Tell her, listen, if you ever go see where Spice Pitney them asleep, it's a disgrace for your queen and me can blood clot dear her for tell her make her mama go live. Our sister, me record our sister, tell her come. Me have every receipt. Me did short a little thing, you know. And you see when the sister text Blinga me and the sister Labrish, me say, alright, good, at least I know me alone. So me have evidence.
You don't always want to come for blood clot, girl. You don't think man a weak fence boy, yeah. You don't ever want to come for girl.
Spice walk and take, let me get one other file. Spice that fuck a bad man a Cockburn pen. And the bad man come from England. And when she fuck the boy from Cockburn, oh no, wrong man. See so much man him take. The man from Augustown. The man from Augustown that are the tall one when she did keep her birthday with Ramesh. And Ramesh she do the birthday with Candy Wow. And everybody within at the VIP. And when she did in at the full Versace and the boy come on the stage with 1,000 gunman and him cover him face. That man, him here say him dead and then have it down at Jamaica say, you know it go from there so that's how me hear the story. Who down at Jamaica here so we hear the story say they have it to say she. Text me.
Every blood clot, they come out and with my fundraiser. I don't come with no bomb clot.
Me I give you one voice note. Me I give the voice note, and I want you to do this to me as a favor. Me I come over the media for a while, because they can't set me up. Me I give you one voice. Me never think I come up for me. Me I give a voice note with two man attack. When the next man I tell the next man say, you can't lick my boss. If you lick him, it's gonna be a problem. So me I tell you to stand down. The man say, well, she give me the money, and we take the money. And the man, them, me just talk to them, but me not give her back her 25,000. Them say just rest it, cause problem. Him say, yeah man, a problem for you. Me have that recording. That is why,
She's a
this is what everybody know, you know.
Yes.
That is why me go to Jamaica. That is why me always there Jamaica with so much police. Cause me fear for my life for that one voice note.
Me have the girl file sit down pan.
And to the dirty people them on TikTok, to them like your RT, them a got the shit.
Coarse looking blood clot too. Yeah, come
Them
talk about me.
ungrateful, she have a god down, she ungrateful.
Spice, you did favor rubbish to blood clot before you go in a go do surgery. If you never see when Spice did, is how Spice look before she do surgery.
Give me a
do surgery yet.
Give me a shot. Let's see.
Yet. And look for me.
Bling, make sure you go argue with the blood clot stab where she that with the doctor bust up her chest. Tell her say the chest, when you take off your clothes, you know your man want you carry your breasts. When she take off her clothes, she have a big blood clot busting off her chest. Jesus never bless her or crucify her blood clot, but she have a big bump
This bitch did far from kitchen, RT. Me
She
don't know why you never did a
clot like
feed her.
Chucky.
You understand? Me don't know why you never did a feed her. You fat bitch, remember you did zugly, and you still blood clot zugly.
I suck with like that.
To your blood clot pussy. Lady, we see your crutches when you drop out on stage, and it was not a good sight.
Bling, look out for me for Tasha. I'm going to handle her blood clot.
It was not a good sight.
And that you want, RT, because she have a next song come out.
Pussy needs to be on a person's body, firm. It not be hang down and a floppy. And I saw your pussy.
Spice are the ugliest girl in a dancehall. Spice paper monkey. Spice, me hear you say one thing and I know a killer. You know what beat her? When you tell her, you didn't tell her, say you say take off the wig. Spice can never take off her.
Take off it. You're crazy.
You're crazy.
Take off what?
You crazy, take off what? You ever see her without a wig?
Never. And he can't breathe. He
blood
had
clot
to tie up. He had to tie up. And not only that, you see him black and the eye them red, uncle evil blood clot which look like that. Bitch, you can't
Let me
come
address something.
The girl do her song and she
Blood
come here.
clot.
We make the girl blood clot relevant. She can't satisfy. Now you come talk about me and my brad, but bitch, talk about your rusty looking.
That's it, guys, for now. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks.